If you're looking for the best states to retire in with less than $1 million in 2023, here are the top 5 states. Number 5. Arizona has great weather and doesn't tax Social Security income or retirement income. If you're in the military, it's a popular spot for veterans to retire. Number 4 is Mississippi. It's about 15% cheaper to live there than the national average, and Social Security and retirement income is tax exempt. Coming in at number 3 is Georgia. Georgia has a low cost of living and there's no state income tax on Social Security. They also offer many tax exemptions on other types of retirement income. Number 2 is Alabama. Alabama doesn't tax Social Security income and has the lowest property taxes in the country. There are also many tax exempts for retirees. And the number 1 state to retire in is Florida, where 20% of all residents are retired. Florida doesn't tax any retirement income, including pension and Social Security, and the weather is amazing. Since I'm already living in Florida with my business partner Janet, we plan to retire in the southern part of the state when the time comes. Remember, if you want to make sure you have the most money when it comes time to retire, be sure to give me a like and follow Urbanized Properties for more great real estate advice.